Hi everyone. So this video is to show you how you can look at different activities or journal posts that you've done, and if your teacher has left you some feedback, which means if they've wrote something into you or if they left you a little voice message, how you can look and see that so that you can hear what they're asking you to do. Maybe they're asking you some questions that they just want to know more about what you were working on, and then even how you can respond back to them. So here we are in our Seesaw Journal, and you'll notice over here I see this inbox with the little speech bubbles, kind of looks like a comic book, and there's a number 2 next to it. So that means I have 2 different things that I'm being notified about, which could possibly be a comment from my teacher. So if I click on that, it could be one of 2 things. It could be a message my teacher sent me, but I can see when I click on that message one, there's nothing there. So in this case, I know that the 2 is for a different notification from my teacher, which means something else they're telling me. So if I click on that, I can see that my teacher has left me a voice comment, and they also liked one of my activities. So if I click right in there, I can see that it will pull it up. So here's my work up here. This is what I worked on. And so I can see that that's what I had done. But then I can see my teacher liked what I had. And they also left me a little comment here, a little voice comment. So if I were to hit play, I could listen back to that and hear what they're asking me. And then what I can do is, depending on what they are asking me, we can use the recorder button here, or we can type something in. But if we press the recording button and then press that red microphone again, we can respond and maybe answer the question that our teacher asked us. And now I'll hit the green check, and I could listen to it back again if I hit that play, and then even record it again if I thought, oops, maybe I kind of made a little mistake in there. Or if this is exactly what I wanted to say, I can just hit the green check mark. And now I can see we've almost got a little conversation between my teacher and I that's going here right now. And it is waiting for my teacher to say that my comment is okay. But as soon as they do that, then we'll be able to see both of our pieces right there. So I'm going to hit the little X to go out of here. And I'm going to show you another way that you can look to see if your teacher has left you anything. So maybe I didn't see the little notifications there, but if I click on activities, let's say I want to go look at some activities that I've done to see if my teacher had left me anything. If I click on the done, showing ones that I've already completed, here's that one that we were just looking at, but now I can see it in here. So I'm going to click on that activity. And then I can see if I scroll down, there's my name and there's my response. So if I click on that, I can look at the response that I made. But you'll also notice if you look down here in that bottom little corner, there's a number 1 next to the heart and a number 1 next to the bubble. And that's showing me that my teacher has left me some feedback and has said something. So if I click on that, it actually pulls it back up. And so now I can see that there's what they left me, and I can see that this is what I had recorded previously. So that's another way that you can go in and see it. So I'm going to click the X to go out of here, and I'm going to hit the back arrow up here and the X again, because one last way is if we just look at the journal tab. You might just see your journal post right there. Maybe it was an activity you did recently, and if I look down, I can see all that same information about how my teacher liked it and how they left a little comment. So again, if I click on that, it will pull it up, and there's that same little box right there. So that's just some different ways how you can listen to comments that your teacher has made and how you can respond.